Okay, now I have one different requirement. Okay, what exactly I will going to tell you now. One bar graph I will take. Okay, this is a cluster column graph I will take. I just optimize this one report level, not in the report level, focus level. Then what I will do, I have a product line, right? So I take one product line in an axis. Within that product line, I would like to have the status, like how whether it is delivered or not. Those status also I need, and those sales value are required. So what I will do, I will take a sales into the value, right? Sales into the value. So what exactly we are doing here? We can go to format and we can show the labels also. Okay, what exactly we are taken within the product. Okay, we have been given a status. What will happen here? Drill down is there. I will click on that, turn on the drill down. Okay, I just turn on the drill down. The moment I select the classic cars, what will happen? It will go to the in detail, like status of the classic cars it will show. But the classic cars status, what it has been shown. Okay, but it is also a sales value only, right? So if I come back here, okay, I select the planes. Again it will show the status of the plane, but in a sales amount only. If I go back to the like trains, again it shows the trains status, but it is in a sales amount only. But I need to know the total number of quantity, like quantity to be like cancelled, total number of on hold quantity, shipped quantity I need to know. Okay, when I drill down. Okay, these are the things. How can we do that one, right? By using a DAX, we can do that one. If I show the table now for this particular one, if I convert this into table here, okay, it has a first the line, that is a product line we have the first layer. The second layer we have a status. For the first and second layer, both we have been added a sales here. But what I require for the first layer, the sales to be added. For the second layer, in case the status is there for the product line, then we have to show the quantity of that particular thing. Okay, I just want to add one more layer of the this one. It will be only applicable to the status. Okay, so how to do that one? We'll go back to the measures. We'll create one measure. I say new measure. uh, it's called as a has one value. We use a if condition as well as a has one value. I say has, or I just say um, cost status. Okay, cost status. I just give that one. Now what I need to do, I need to use the if statement. In case if, I just say if the logic here is if has one value. Okay, has one value in the column. Which column? If there is any value, I'm checking the status column, right? Status column. Okay, in status column any value is there. Okay, if it is there, comma, then what to be shown? I would like to show the like a quantity, right? I just need to show the quantity, sales order quantity. I think it is given. I need to show the mhm. mm, I say sales. We have order quantity, some parameter. Okay, I need to show the sum of order quantity. So I say sum of the order quantity. So I will take a sum formula here so that it will give the total order quantity for that particular shipped product. Order uh, order number, not number, quantity order. There's a confusion here we have. Okay, quantity order we require to show. In case there is no value in the status, then we need to show the sales only. So I say sum of I say sales only. So we show the sales only. So we'll complete our logic. Like in case it has one value in the status, in case status is that, then I need to take a total of that particular status quantity to be taken total. Otherwise, we need to take a total of the sales only. Okay, I just say yes. Then if I take this cost status here now, you can see here the cost status has been taken here. Like cost will be shown for each of them. Okay, whenever there is nothing is there, then it will not show. Actually everywhere we have the one or the other values, so that it shows for a cost of that particular thing. Now if I go to the convert this table into like clustered column chart. Okay, instead of comparing them status, I need to take it in a single axis so that I can drill down. Instead of legend, I will take it into axis. Okay, car we have now. I'll take this one, activate this drill down. Now if I click on this, okay, classic car, it shows that 3.7 million. What it is exactly? The quantity actually. Okay, this is the quantity we have. Okay, we can check it back. We go back. Okay, here 3.9. For example, I go to train. Okay, 215K. This is a quantity sold we have, right? I think just a second. The sales only it is added. The one more value we need to add, that is nothing but a uh, cost status. It is there in a tooltip, so we will take it that cost status in a value. Okay, what happened cost status when I take it into value? I just go to the sales, I will close it down. So cost status it will like 3.9 million, 1.9 million. This is nothing but a the cost status I have taken in a this one. So it's showing a like a when it is not a status mode, where a product line mode, it shows the sales. Okay, the moment I drill down to the this one, it shows the quantity. Okay, it shows the quantity. Okay, for any of them you can check. Like a train also, zero point 0.2 million is a like a total sales. The moment I go inside, it shows the quantity. That is what I have been taken is. You may be having in a tooltip, it is the cost status which we created function. I will take it into the value. Okay, like two column, two different parameters we have been selected here. Okay, this is how this particular thing will be work. Okay, like how we have been worked here. Okay, that we have been shown here. Okay, if I go back to the report, like this one. Okay, it has been taken out everything. Okay, so just to take a, yeah, if I go back, it shows the product wise things, right? If I go to here, right, cost status means the moment I selected this one, the cost status will become a like revenue will become a this one. Okay, when I drill it down. Okay, that is what we have been done here by using a mm, what we say has one value and if condition. Okay, just you have to know this one has one value and if condition how it works.